Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about what are the key challenges which we face normally while performing agile testing. So I will be discussing various challenges in this video. The first key challenge associated whenever we are taking up agile testing is time constraint. In agile, this is a key important thing because we have to deliver the things in a very time constrictive manner and we have to deliver very rapidly. Both development as well as testing is a key within a short time span as well. That is a key challenge because every sprint we can have 1 week or maximum up to 5 weeks and we have to get completed both coding and testing. Everything we have to complete within that given sprint line. That becomes a very challenging in agile testing. Because of this time constraint, it may happen that we may not be able to do thorough testing and it may happen that some of the important or potential defects can push into the further sprints as well. That is a key challenge. And the second one is lack of documentation, because in Agile we are more focusing on the working software than developing a detailed documentation which we normally do in a traditional waterfall model. Here we morely focus on the working software. Because of that, tester might find that they do not have enough documents to come up with the test cases and testing it. And the next one is changing requirement. In agile testing, we call it as agility, means we should be able to flexible and should be able to adapt for any changes during agile development methodology. Then that itself a key challenge, because if anything is getting changed, then obviously your overall testing things also will get changed, and that itself a big challenge. Especially we have to put the right strategies and plan for adaptability for our overall testing team. And the communication barrier also is a key problem here, especially in agile development. We have to have a good collaboration between our testers, developers and stakeholders and customers. If there is a lack in the communication barrier, or if there is an ineffective communication is there, then definitely the overall agile testing methodologies may not work because of misunderstanding or lack of alignment. The next one is resource constraints as well is a key challenge. The agile development often requires testing team to work with the limited resources such as time, budget and personnel. As we discussed earlier, lack of time will be there. In the similar fashion, we have resource constraints also will be there to get the things done. And we have to go with a lot of prioritization because of lack of resources, means we have to get the things with the lesser resources, and we have to complete our overall testing activities also with a minimal set of resources. That is also key challenges in agile testing methodologies. And there is also challenge in terms of a technical perspective as well, because testing team may not have complete knowledge or skills on the overall application or technologies being adopted. Even this would leads to a bigger challenges because in agile they expect even testers should be aligned with the development team and they should have a good understanding on both technical perspective and various other skills as well. And the next challenge would be automation, test automation, because we are going to be heavily dependent on test automation than manually in agile methodologies, because we have to rapidly we have to develop and we have to do as much as testing with efficiently so that we can deliver the things in a quicker manner. The test automation gives us a high priority there, and even creating those automation and maintaining the test automation tool also becomes very complex over the period, and that is going to be time consuming as well. And this is also going to create a lot of challenges with the testing team. These are some of the key challenges which we normally face when we try to adopt agile testing methodologies.